In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can open your StickPay account. So you can head over to stickpay.com. The link will be in the description of this video. Now once you're on this website, you can choose to sign up from the website or download the app from the Play Store or the App Store. So as of recording this video, StickPay is being a little bit generous. So when you sign up and get an account, you'll get $10 bonus, right? So let's hit sign up to get started. So the registration is fairly simple, right? So complete this form, provide your signature, and then select next. Now on this page, you need to provide your phone number and then validate your phone number. Once your two-factor authentication succeeds, select next. So your current account will be subjected to a limitation of a deposit of $200, right? So select continue to account. So once you verify your account, you'll be able to deposit more. So here you need to re-log in again. For added security, you need to enable two-factor authentication. So you can choose between Google authentication, email, and phone number. I'll be using the Google authentication method. So for the Google authentication, if you're not familiar with authenticator apps, you can download the Google authenticator app from the App Store or Play Store. What it does is that it generates some random numbers that you can use to log into your account as a way of confirming who you are. So once your two-factor authentication is set up successfully, hit submit. Enter your account password and select submit. Now you can start using your StickPay features. Now to get the most out of StickPay, I recommend that you activate your account. So you have the option to add money in, right? Depending on the country which you are from, you have different methods that you can use to deposit money. Now for the money out, if you have money in your account, then you can go ahead and select your payment method and then select next to withdraw. In order to activate your account, right, you can use this option here at the top of the screen, or you could go to documents and then upload the required documents to verify your ID. So you complete your address, then upload your proof of address, and then upload the front and back of your ID, and then basically hit submit, and then once your account is reviewed and approved, you should be all good to use all the features of StickPay. And that's just about it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.